Shalom. Peace of Jesus Christ the Lord be with you. I am very excited today and I would like to update you the construction work of St. Thomas the Apostle Church, Taxila, Pakistan. We started the construction work on 12th of September 2020 last year, and we started with the excavation and concrete bed, and from there the columns were raised. Thank God we have reached up to this level, or not today. You can see the work on the floor is going on. They are putting a concrete work and construction work of the floor. We thank you. I thank all of you, those who have supported us, those who prayed for us, and we are in need of your prayers. And now we will show you the detail of the construction work through this video. The camera will show you, and so far what work has been done, and still a lot of work to be completed. We are in need of your prayers and support. Please do support us so that with your prayers and support we will be able to complete this project. Thank you. God bless you all. Shalom. A lot of work to be done still. We have to fix doors, windows, this dome, the stairs, marble work, electricity work, and for one door we need 100,000 rupees. For one window 50,000 Pakistan rupees, and the gate, the electricity work we need 1 million Pakistani rupees, and for this floor work we need 1 million Pakistani rupees, and then there is the altar, there is cross. One cross we need for the big cross, you know, the center we fix the big cross. We need 100,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. And the tabernacle also about 100,000 rupees, and altar, and so many things. One of the items maybe you could donate in memory of your departed brothers and sisters or parents. And this is our Catholic faith, that we continue praying for all the faithful departed souls, and the Lord has sent to do His work. So I invite you, please pray for this project, and also we are in need of your financial support. Please do help us. Thank you. God bless you. Shalom.